Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am psyched because we're opening a new subscription. I feel like it's been like a hot minute since I've opened something new, but it's not the only new one I have in my little pile that's accumulating. But it is one that is extra exciting and the biggest package and most beautiful I have waiting to open. This is the seasonal box, Be Kind by Ellen DeGeneres. And seriously, look at the art on this box. Isn't this beautiful? When I saw this outside my door, I was so excited. So yeah, today I'll tell you a little bit about the box. I have no idea what's in it, and then we'll open it. It'll be a surprise for all of us. Maybe not you if you already know, but before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I've been getting them for over 8 years, maybe 9 now. I don't know. Time is flying. And I have a cat named Emmy who is on her little scratch pad in the back. Oh, you can actually see her, I think. Oh, Emmy. And you can see my collection of candles I've accumulated. Oh, bless you. But yeah, we love boxes here. We love cats. We like tarot. We like crystals. We like a lot of things. So I think this box is all lifestyle products. The Be Kind by Ellen box. It's $54.99. And I forgot to finish my sentence before. If you guys like the same things I do, I would love it if you stuck around and subscribe, but no pressure. Just so happy you're here. Not on my game, but a little excited. So yeah, $54.99 for this box. This was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. There is a code. It's not my own code, but I do believe I have an affiliate link. Just FYI, if you use that, I get a little kickback. Does that sound right? No, I get a small commission and no extra cost for you. So if you're interested in this box and use my link, thank you very much. But there's also a code that is not affiliated with me. It's Ellen in all caps and 10. That will save you 10% on your order. So you get over $200 in value from this box. I believe it supports small businesses and gives back to the community. So I love the message and I can't believe I didn't look at any spoilers. Okay, sorry, pause and then we'll get to the box. I got an email today that it's FabFitFun customization. It's open for winter, and I was like, I didn't even realize there were spoilers out yet. Probably because I was in Spain, maybe, but yeah, just any annual members out there, you can now customize your FabFitFun. But let's get this box open. I just like feeling a little out of it today. Went on like a way longer walk than normal, which I felt energizing at first, but now I'm just a little tired. Oh, I am glad there's something in here that reminded me. Oh my god, this is so fun. This box is huge. You see, but for everyone that subscribes to the fall box, you get an entry here. Let me to Ellen's 12 days of giveaways. It reminds me of like what Oprah used to do. Is Ellen do the same thing now? So Ellen's golden ticket entry. You have been automatically entered to receive an entry for the chance to win a trip for 2 to LA for a taping of Ellen's 12 days of giveaways. And you can refer a friend so they have a chance to win as well. So actually you can get 15% of the box with code FRIEND15. I'll leave both the codes down below just in case specific times passed or anything like that and you're still interested in the box. And one thing I failed to mention is that you can actually do a one-time purchase for this box as well, but it's an additional $10, and I think you can get pass boxes, so that's the perk of that, why it's a little bit more expensive. But when you do subscribe for the $54.95 before the discount, you can cancel at any time. And we have a little pamphlet here that talks about the items that matches the box, and look at how beautiful this is. I'm glad that looks good because I feel like I'm looking a little rough today, but let's get started. The first thing I see here is this beautiful like mustard yellow clutch. It's by Terra Thread, Earth Motivated. Yeah, Terra Thread zipper pouches in yellow. Oh my god, I love the color of this. And it is just an open bag, so you could use this to hold your makeup. You could use it however you freaking want to. And looks like they made this bag using fair trade cotton. Love that. 100% certified fair trade organic cotton, and it uses earth-friendly dyes. That's all the good stuff here. Love it. I think that's how this whole box will be. So exciting. Excuse me, my allergies are kind of kicking in. That's probably what happened. I went on an extra long walk and got exposed to more allergens. I think they're like doing the lawn too. But anyways, by Daily Concepts, we have the Daily Body Scrubber. So this is a big one. I've received like the smaller one recently in a different box. So I do like these. I like to exfoliate, especially like at least once a week. But like when I shave my legs or something, I feel like it gives me a closer shave. So these are nice. They're not too rough, but like maybe a little bit, but they don't like break your skin or anything like that. They definitely make you feel nice and smooth afterwards. What is this? Miracle Made Laundry Detergent Sheets, cleaner ingredients, cleaner laundry, and cleaner earth. They're extra strong. They use less waste, save space, and no nasty chemicals. And there's 60 sheets in here, and you use 1 sheet per load. Nice. I haven't used dryer sheets in a long time. And this is a reminder that I need to do some laundry. I'm excited about this. Does it have, it says pull for a miracle. Oh, and there are the sheets right there. It smells good. That answered my question. It smells like clean laundry. You know that I don't know, like that laundry fresh scents. So we have two pieces of jewelry right here. One is a set of earrings. Oh my god, these are so pretty. They're by Sanctuary Project, employing and empowering survivors. We're a non-profit social enterprise providing meaningful employment and job training to survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction. Oh my god. This box really does give back. These are beautiful. And then, oh my god, Crystal Energy, yes. By Charge, Stones with Stories, Charged by You, Rose Quartz, Charge Your Heart, Love, Compassion, and Comfort. I love using rose quartz for self-love, especially. This is 18 karat gold plated and semi-precious gemstones. And crystals and gemstones hold on to the energy directly from you. I love this. This is so pretty. So this is a necklace. Right? Yeah. Let's take it out actually. Or is it a bracelet? Oh, I think it's a bracelet actually, which is nice. Yes. I love it. And it has one of those like drawstrings that make it way easier to close. Like people, you guys understand. If no one's around, you're trying to get on some bracelets, especially like even more so than necklaces sometimes, it's really hard to get. So this is so pretty. You can see I have other crystals on right now, sodalite, so I'm probably going to cleanse this and then put it right back on after this. This is beautiful. I'm glad it's a bracelet. It's so delicate and pretty, and I love it. Rose quartz. And these earrings look so cute too. I'm gonna put those on. I didn't put any jewelry on yet. So far I'm loving this. There's a drink. Zen water, vapor distilled, 9.5 pH alkaline, made from 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic. That's great. Oh, I'm thirsty just looking at this. So we just have some water. Daily reminder, hydrate people, it's important. And then last but not least, we have a paint by numbers kit, Modern Monet. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's a 12-hour project. Wow. Cool. I want more hobbies. So you get a 16 by 20 ready to paint premium printed canvas, pre-mixed acrylic paints, and I think it's going to be this like truck here. Interesting. I'm like afraid if I take it out I'm just gonna mess everything up, but oh yeah, so here. I think this is really neat packaging actually. It's probably why the box is so dang long. Here's the canvas, and then there is, I'll show you. Dropping things. And look, the paint by numbers is on there already. Can you guys see that? Wow, there's a lot of little things that go into it, and then there's a note here. Oh man, this canvas feels really nice. This is gonna be really cool. I'm excited about that. I like want to be more creative in different ways. Like I know I make videos and stuff, but like, you know, with like art and stuff like that, I feel like maybe it could be like very therapeutic. So I'm excited to get that. And that was everything, you guys. I loved it. I like lifestyle boxes a lot. You just get a mix of things, and I definitely love boxes that give back. So I would love to know your thoughts. And I should say boxes that support companies that give back, because a lot of these companies seem great and they use good ingredients, fair trade, treat their people right, take in people like the trafficking store. That's amazing. I love it. And I freaking love crystals. We all know it. So overall, I think this was really good. Leave your thoughts down below on what you think of the box. And if you're interested in subscribing, again, that link will be down below along with the 2 codes. So I guess you can get 15% off. That's great. I'm glad I read that in there. And when you buy the fall box or subscribe, you get entered to possibly go to 12 days of giveaways with Ellen. If she does it Oprah style, I haven't watched like any like TV in a while, but that will be huge. Can you imagine? Oh my god. Let me know if you guys do subscribe if you get this already. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I will be back tomorrow with, I think I'm gonna do like like a Witchy Wednesday type thing because I have a few boxes, I don't know, or Wheel Wednesday. Let me know down below if you're still here. Thanks, hi, what's up? But let me know if you would prefer Wheel Wednesday or Witchy Wednesday. Yeah, can't wait to hear. I haven't decided what I want to do yet, but if you guys respond and let me know, I'll do just that. But yeah, I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye.